Hi, I'm Denny Young from the Hayes Bicycle Group, and behind me are some new 2010 wheels from Sun Ringlite. We have 5 new wheel sets. We have the Black Flag Pro and the Black Flag Expert, which are our cross-country wheels. They feature 24mm wide rims, and the rims feature Stan's no tubes technology. So you can run these wheels as a tubeless setup using just Stan's yellow tape to seal off the spoke holes. The wheel that you see here is actually the Charger, and this is another one of our new wheel sets. It's an all-mountain wheel, and it differs from the Black Flag in that it has a 28mm wide rim compared to the Black Flag's 24mm wide rim. This is the Charger Pro. It features direct pull spokes, 24 front and rear. There's also a 29er version that has 28 spokes front and rear. And a cool feature on this wheel set and on the Black Flag Pro wheel set is modular end caps. So on this rear wheel, it's currently set up for a 12mm through axle, but you can pull these off and replace these end caps with quick release end caps or with end caps for the new X12 standard. And likewise on the front wheel, these end caps are for 20mm through hubs right now, but you can also replace them with end caps for 15mm through hubs and for 9mm quick release axles. Here we have the Charger Expert, similar to the Charger Pro, but a step down in price because here we use a standard hub with J-bend spokes and conventional 9mm axles. And then over here we have the new Sun Ringlite Carbon SRD wheel set. It's a 26mm wide carbon rim, so a strong but lightweight all-mountain wheel set. 24 spokes front and rear, and like the Black Flag and the Charger Pros, it has modular end caps, so the front wheel can be run with a 20mm or a 15mm through axle or a standard 9mm quick release, and in the rear you can run quick release, 12mm by 135 axle, or the new X12 through axle. Weight on this wheel set is 1,550 grams, and price will be $1,750.